Recently I started playing around with DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. At that time around, I had an idea to make a small yet effective weather station. So in this video we will use the DHT11 sensor from the previous video tutorial and turn it into a beautiful weather station for our desk. So let's get started. So to start with the build of this project, I first figured out the functionality of this project. I wanted a very simple and compact system which can easily set on my desk, so I chose a 16x8 I2C LCD display, and for the brains of the project I used an Arduino Nano which is very compact along with the DHT11 sensor. Next I designed a PCB on Easy EDA software which I didn't order or build due to the time constraints. I rather used a breadboard along with few wires for connection and wired everything according to this diagram that you see on the screen. If you wish to build the same project for yourself, all the resources will be available in my instructables post, which is linked below in the description. Next, I uploaded the sketch on Arduino Nano, which is pretty simple. I wanted a startup animation screen with the channel and project names. Next, I set the cursor position on my LCD according to the convenience and simply dumped the temperature and humidity values from the variables that hold the data from the sensor on the LCD screen using lcd.print command. And that's pretty much it. You can download the code and read it. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Next, I tested my project in this floating manner, which doesn't look anywhere near professional. So I decided to make an enclosure box which I designed on the Autodesk's Fusion 360 software. Well, I didn't got the enclosure 3D printed as I don't have any access to a 3D printer. I rather used a piece of cardboard which I snipped according to the CAD dimensions, and then I used a bit of hot glue and completed this enclosure. If you want to print the enclosure, design is attached in the instructables post. After putting all the parts together and managing the cables, this project was finally complete, and I must say it looks absolutely gorgeous. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed building this DIY weather station around Arduino board, and hopefully it inspires you to make something similar. Also, if you have any suggestions for the projects, do let me know in the comments. Until the next one, goodbye.